Well, morning, Clyde. Hey, Tyson. What's up, Sneaky Jesus? Do what now? Why, I think you're better than me? Huh? You think you're better than me? Huh? Huh? What do you think, huh? Hey, you think you're better than me? Troy? What do you think? Huh? We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so comment poll. Which one is older? This guy or this guy?
I just can't find it. What? What?
Nothing.
Hey!
Nothing.
Hey!
Don't worry about it. Spark plug.
I hope what I need can be found in there.
Alright, come on, laddie, let's fight.
2 hours later.
Alright, so I've taken care of the spark plug problem, but I've also discovered that Troy here's got a bum hoofer. He's got his wheel's stuck. I have to figure that out. So want some pot? it's a lefty loosey. Jesus. Sorry. Needs lube. Lube quest. Lubrication acquired. Yeah. All right, so we got, ow. All right, wheels fixed, plugs clean. Gas is in it. Yes. Moment of truth. Sure you don't want any pot?